Good morning. Hope everybody is having a fantastic Friday. This is just going to be a quick one. I want to show you how I use Chrome profiles to work with my clients. So, naturally, when I'm working with my clients, I'm handling a lot of passwords, logins, emails, just, endlessly. And the way that I stay organized doing this is not only do I keep a sort of a hard copy of all of that information, I use Chrome profiles to actually create a profile for my clients on my computer. So basically, if my clients came to my house, they could log into their own Chrome profile using their own information. But I use this to my advantage. So what this allows me to do is stay logged in to all of my accounts so that I'm not missing emails from clients, I'm not missing messages and that kind of thing, and I can keep up with my what's going on throughout the day. I can keep open my Google Drive, which I use extensively. So, and then my timekeeping, my to-do list, all that stuff I can stay logged into and just open an additional instance of Google Chrome for whichever client I'm working with. And, I can only work with one client at a time, so usually running a couple of profiles at once isn't a problem with my computer. So, as you can see, my clients listed here, and then I also have some of my other endeavors listed here, like my Publishers Plus, company that's going to be coming out soon. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this. And the way that you add profiles is you can just click on your name here in Chrome and scroll the way to the bottom. It's behind here, but there's like an add person or whatever link down here. The way I do it, though, is I just click the little three dots here for the settings, and I go to More Tools. And it's not there. Okay, so I go to settings and I wait 10 minutes for it to load. And I just scroll down, advanced, and I should be able to manage my people in here somewhere. It's been a minute since I added someone, so. Alright, so it's going to be right. Gosh, I know it's on here somewhere, yo. Manage all search engines. Here we are, manage other people. It was right there at the top. So, at least I'm real. I'm not faking y'all out like I know everything. Sometimes you open stuff up, even though you've done it 1,000 times, you can't remember where every dang thing is. So, there you have it under Manage Other People. And then I can just pop this open. And it's going to have a list of all my clients with whatever, avatar I use for them. And then down here below, I can add another person. And it's really simple interface when you add someone. It's just pulls this up, and you just assign the name, and then you can assign an icon. And this is all, like, there's not any more, so you're kind of limited there. And then you can create a desktop shortcut or not, which I don't need to because I always access this directly from the name here. And so so I just have my drop down list here. The only desktop icon, or rather quick start icon, is just for Chrome itself. Now, you might be wondering, so, the whole point of being able to log into Chrome in the first place is so that you can log in, on any device and have your bookmarks and all your stuff. You can actually export your profiles if you need to work on a different machine. You can back them up in this way using like a USB thumb drive or something like that. So this article here on Cron tells you how to do that. I'll put a link to that down below. And it's really easy. It's just a control run, and then you control R or Windows R to open up the command prompt, and then you just type in the path and hit enter, and then you can copy and paste everything over and back up your stuff, and then you can work from any device. So say if you needed to bring your work home with you, or you're gonna be, I don't know, out of town, or so you're going to the library to work for the day or something like that, you can take your stuff with you in a secure manner. So anyway, that is how I keep organized and how I keep my clients separated, how I keep their passwords and all of their information separated from my own stuff, and then from each other as well. So, and I'm only have these pulled up if I'm currently working with that client. The rest of the time they just, stay in the background. So the unfortunate thing here is that working with my clients, I'm locked into Chrome browser. We all know that it's like the fastest and kind of the best browser out there, but sometimes Firefox will speed up for a while, and I used to kind of bounce back and forth between these two, and I can't do that anymore because Firefox doesn't have this same where you can add several profiles into the same Chrome. So you can log into Firefox, but you can't have 100 different profiles or whatever. Same deal with pretty much all of the other browsers out there. So I'm locked into Chrome. That's unfortunate. And also, I'm not really sure that this is really something that's used a lot. So this could be a functionality that eventually Chrome ditches. So it just depends. But for right now, this works fantastic. Before I discovered this, I actually used different browsers. So for my personal browser, I would use Chrome, and then for work, I would use something like Opera, or whatever other browser was out there that was fast, that did what I needed it to, that I could tolerate. You know what I mean? Because not all of them I can tolerate. I cannot stand Internet Explorer, even though that's outdated. It's been Internet Explorer 11 for the last 10 years. And they've replaced that with Edge, which I also absolutely cannot stand. Microsoft does a lot of things well, but browsers are not one of them. So, so that's how I use Chrome profiles. My name's Ava. I'm a full-time virtual assistant. If you like any of the content that you see in my videos, or you want to see what working from home full-time looks like, check out my videos. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to connecting with you on the next stream.